First, I'm going to show you what a live, real production call with our voice agent sounds like. So we're going to call assembled and ask to update our subscription level. And Cal, our conversational voice agent, is going to take action over the phone and process my request end to end. Keep an eye out for just how natural Cal sounds, how they use conversational cues to keep me on the line while they work behind the scenes, and how I can interrupt them seamlessly throughout the conversation. So with that, I'm going to give Cal a call.
Hi, my name is Cal, a virtual agent. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm calling because I'd like to modify my subscription.
I can help you with modifying your subscription. For security reasons, I'll need to confirm your identity before we continue. Could you please share your full name and member ID? And since we're on the phone, would you mind spelling it out so I can make sure I get it right?
Yeah, my name is Sam Carlson. It's SAMCARLSON.
Could you please provide your 3-digit member ID as well?
Oh yeah, it's 111.
Thanks for confirming. Your current account type is basic, which offers core AI agent functionality, basic analytics, and community support for up to 5 users at no cost. You have the option to upgrade to either the premium or ultimate tier. Which one would you like to upgrade to?
Yeah, could you actually just tell me what's included in the ultimate tier?
The ultimate tier includes all premium features plus enterprise SSO, custom AI training, advanced reporting, quarterly business.
Okay, actually, you know what? I know I need that updated reporting or the advanced reporting. So could you just upgrade me to ultimate, please?
Just to confirm, you would like to upgrade your account from basic to ultimate, which includes all advanced features.
That's right. Just go ahead and do it.
Perfect. Your account has been upgraded to the ultimate tier, which includes all advanced features and unlimited users. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, you know what? I actually would like to speak to a team member. I had another issue, but I need to speak to a person about it.
I'd be happy to help you with that. I'm connecting you to an agent now.
No support agent.
All right. Cool. So as you can see, Cal basically processed my request end to end. And now let's take a look. First thing I want to show off is the handoff that Bree was alluding to earlier. So if I can share my screen here. If we look in our Zendesk instance, we should see a recent call where we were able to get a summary of the call that transpired. So we see the user who's there, their member ID, what exactly happened on the call, and then the sort of a simple summary and the topic that makes it really easy for a human to pick up the phone. Oh, and I just realized I was sharing the wrong tab there. I guess now that we're looking at our workflow builder, let's take a peek behind the curtain and just see how Cal is set up to handle these types of calls. So first thing, everything with our voice agent is super configurable, and it's really easy to set up in a matter of days with no code, no engineering effort, and just generally we focus on making our platform super self-serve for support teams versus something that you need a big team to set up and deploy. The first place we're going to start is with one of our agentic workflows. So Cal knew that it needed to use this workflow as soon as I said that I needed to update my membership. And you can define the rules for selecting workflows just using simple natural language, which you'll notice is a theme throughout most of our product. After Cal had selected a workflow, it used this first procedure to figure out how to authenticate me. So these are just natural language instructions that Cal could follow to execute the authentication process, following sort of fairly complex instructions and also using things like this member information API to actually retrieve my account information and verify it live on the phone. after authenticating me, Cal moved on to this next step where it used these instructions to go ahead and process my membership change. Again, it could follow these natural language instructions. It could access external help docs about the different types of accounts that we have and use that knowledge live over the phone to respond to my questions, as well as another update membership API to actually take this action over the phone. Beyond our workflow builder, we also have detailed logs of every single interaction. So you can see the call we just had here. And you'll get a line-by-line record of every interaction. So we have this transcript here, and then if we scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll also have a recording, making it easy to inspect any given interaction someone has with Cal. If you pop into one of these workflow run steps, you'll see that you get down to the API level detail of how Cal interacted with the user in order to address their need. And then the last piece I'll just show off here in this demo is our voice agent configuration. And this is where you can configure basically everything else about Cal. So we have tools for just simply updating the greeting and handoff messages that Cal would use in order to interact with a user. You see we have tools that we can use to configure the different voices that you might want Cal to have, as well as tools for configuring where Cal will route specific cases if you have multiple queues or destinations in your phone tree, as well as places where we can go to configure the handoff. So when to hand off, what type of information to capture, and things like that.